Time to go. What's good, YouTube? It is your boy Z1 ZB Nazo back here with another video, and today you interrupted my intro again. Look at this nigga, man. Boy, Al Green, boy, interrupted my intro. What's good, YouTube? It is your boy Z1 ZB Nazo back here with another video, and today it's Martin Luther King Day. I'm going up to Atlanta for my first slideshow of the year. Now, last year I went to a couple of these, and I had to like stop going because it was getting stupid crazy. Niggas was getting their cars took, niggas was going to jail. Like, they were like, 12 was really cracking down on this shit, man, and I ain't got time to be in no parts of it. I won't be doing no sliding, like, I ain't doing no sliding at all. I'm just here to get the footage. Slideshow isn't until tonight, so I had to go ahead and do my intro early in the day while it was daylight outside. But I'll get with y'all when I get to the leak house. Look at this, man. Look at this nigga, man. It take 3 years to come outside, bro. Nigga take 3 years to come outside, bro. Nigga get ready like a little girl, bro. Look at this nigga, man.
What's up? My fault, Brody.
Uh-oh.
I had to make sure I was gonna be warm, man.
No,
it's a little brisk out here tonight. You got that boy got the ski mask on.
Oh, of course, bro.
Let's slide, bro. Come on, we slide them motherfucking tonight?
Oh, fuck no, boy. We not. Girl, if you don't get your iPhone charger body ass out the way. Better get right, my boy. They on your ass. That be a poop. That cold as fuck out this bitch, boy. That bitch sound so slow. Hey. It sound like that bitch struggling, boy. That boy gonna be sick. Oh shit. Boy, you brave, my boy. You ain't even move. You're right. Hey, I ain't gonna count. I ain't going count. My boy, we're going stupid, boy.
That little VC.
Yeah, nigga, you already know I'm on that road back. Roll back the ball.
I let these folks go. Damn, my boy. Come on, my boy, go ahead.
Look at that slide there, man. You about to slide that bit for real.
You gonna slide a bit?
I'm trying to get home, man.
Hey, you could've went that. Could've went that way. He finna fuck some shit up, boy. Oh, I thought he was finna slide that bitch. Thought you finna slide that bitch, fam. Alright, boy, swing low. Oh, he handling that bitch. He handling that motherfucker, man. Oh!
He can handle it. Downhill.
Let's do it.
Bring that shit in the pit. Put that shit in the right here.
Oh, yeah. Oh, he can't handle that motherfucker. Hold up, my boy. Time to go. Oh, he's trying to get his. Let go, Lee. These niggas is scaring out of here, boy. They getting out of here, boy. They getting out of here, boy.
Okay. Yes, sir.
They getting out of here, boy.
Anybody want that snitch?
Snitching there, nigga.
Damn, buddy. I'ma fuck with you, my boy. Suck to be you, my boy.
Might be sad. It might be sad, boy. swinging that bit, boy. I ain't even gonna count. You know what you want to see right here, my boy? Yeah. Woo! Hey, that pole ain't going nowhere, fam. God damn.
Black on gold, like bronze. That shit go
Bro, yes, bro. That shit goes stupid crazy, bro. Short every time. Get in the car, nigga. Look at this nigga, man. God, damn, boy. God damn, boy. Nah, hell no. Woo! Man, that shit so ass, bro. That shit ass. That shit fun.
On the car seat.